are being joined by Forum and Cheda, the founder at Chart Analytics. Hi, very good afternoon, Forum. What's the outlook going ahead? Will we continue the bullish trend into the markets? Are you placing yourself on the bullish side, or the markets are expected to be a bit of a range bound before we take the next rally going ahead?
Hi, good afternoon, and thank you for having me here. Well, to begin with, Nifty overall, I am bullish on it. The overall trend is bullish, but what we have been seeing is a bit of a profit booking happening, a bit of selling pressure from the past 2 trading days. That does not stop us to change our view. And overall, when it's declining, it is giving opportunities to buy. So, in fact, at every decline, one should be looking at buying. I wouldn't say that go all out and buy in one go, but it's like possible to buy it in tranches. So, at every dip, it's a good opportunity to buy. So, current levels of support, as far as the support levels are concerned, it's between 18,050 to 18,100. And as of right now, the resistance is placed closer to 18,400. We are range bound for the near term, but the moment we take up these levels of 18,400, we can expect another upside by closer to around 18,550 to around 18,600 levels.
Okay, so that's the take coming in at the index level, but what about the stock specific recommendations, Forum?
Well, I have 2 recommendations. The first one is on Godavari Power. So technically speaking, from the highs of 415 in Jan 2023, the stock price declined by nearly 15. And thereafter, we have seen a bit of a consolidation for this entire past few couple of months. However, in the last few past trading days, we have seen the stock price narrowing down the trading range. And along with that, there has been an increase in volume. So this increase in volume is adding some bullishness to the stock. And currently, the price is just making an attempt to break out. So it just brings in a lot of bullishness that the stock price trading near the breakout with the increase in volume. And the positive thing is that the RSI, that is a relative strength indicator, which is a lead indicator, is also showing signs of positive divergence. So it makes it even more positive for an upward movement. So one can look at buying at current levels of 376 to 378 and maintain a stop loss of 363 and look for an upside target of closer to 395. And the next recommendation is on GMDC. So GMDC was rather in a consolidation phase for nearly 6 months plus. And after that, we've seen a good upward movement today, and it's up around 8%. However, I was watching it since the morning and was looking for a price level close to 160 to around 162, which it's taken off and comfortably closed above those levels. Technically, we've seen a good increase in volume. Last month, it picked up a lot of exceptional volume, which was a highlight for the stock picking up some momentum. And along with that, the stock price has now moved above multiple moving averages, that is of 50, 100, and 200. So all these important moving averages, it's taken off. So just adding a lot of bullish strength to the stock. So one can even look at buying. Just wait for a retracement closer to 160 to 162, which will be a good buying level. Maintain a stop loss below the levels of 154 and can expect a target of close to 175.
Thank you so much, Forum, for sharing your stock-specific ideas. With this, we'll let you go on that.